Hey, congratulations for grabbing the book. You have taken the best of the best decision of your life. Because in the Ultimate Online Mastery book, we literally gave you everything that our 99% done for you students received as a course. So the 99% done for you students made good money from this program. So look at this. Let me show you one by one. Yogesh made $300. He's not a beginner. He's my partner. And the best part of his commission is he doesn't have any time to do anything extra. So literally he made the money from our 99% work. Now recently Alvin made a $300 commission. Before that he made a $500 commission. And if you go a little below, you'll find Rabbi, who is also our team member and an affiliate as well, earned a $300 affiliate commission. This is not the first one. He made multiple other these kind of commissions. Ilham, who is 50 years old, she lives in UK. She has a 9-to-5 day job and she's a busy mom, super busy mom. She doesn't have any time to do anything. Our 99% done for you program, she made multiple $500, $300 commissions. Here is Rabbi again, haha, right. So if you go down below, you'll see a lot of people making a lot of money. Like Andy Nasser made $500, and on the same day, Arpit Singh made $350. I can go on and on. Usman, who has a 9-to-5 day job, he lives in Turkey and US, and he also travels a lot. He traveled to over 150 countries and made many $500 commissions. This one $947 commission, another $1,000 commission. Lots and lots of commissions made by all these beginner students. Let's go down below a little bit. You'll see in between, you see these guys, these are the commissions I am talking about, okay? And then you go down below a little more, you see all these people made these high ticket commissions from the program. And you, my friend, received the book that has all the information that these guys got from the course. You got it in the book form. So congratulations. Right. Now, after launching the book, we made total $35,000 from selling the book. So we sold the book and earned around $35,000. So you probably cannot see it here because of me. You see, this is the book funnel. And here we go. This is $17,000 and another $18,000 to $19,000 from other funnels right here. It's all mixed up. Now you might be asking, how did we pull off $35,000 from a $5 book? The answer is, it's not only the book, it also associated funnel. We wrote the book in a way that it delivers so much value. People love it so much and they find it useful, and then they decide to upgrade their purchase. And a lot of them decide to upgrade to our main 99% done for you program, which is a $1,000 program. Probably there can be some deals sometimes. It gets a lower price to $597, $697, something like that. But there is nobody got access to that program under $597. So when they upgraded, we made money. So you understand. Now, let me show you something more interesting, okay? This is ad account. So we even ran ads to this book. And since 19th February to like 1 month result. Look at this, look at this, look at this, look at it. Here, I'll show you. Look at it. Can you see this? I don't know, you can see this or not. Let me take a screenshot. This will help you understand. I'm taking a screenshot, by the way. Right. This will help you. Like, we will zoom in and I'll show you the possibilities. Look at this. So this is the book, and we got 54 sales, book sales from this campaign, and every $20 we spent, we made 1 sale on the average. Now you might be asking, Mosh, come on, the book price is just $5. Why did you spend $20 on the book? It's because of something called LTV, or lifetime value of the customers. Look at this account. Sorry, I have to log in again. Bear with me. This is an uncut video. I decided not to edit this video. The customer's all-time value is $360. That means the customers who are coming into our ecosystem, some of them eventually upgrade because they find so much value and usefulness. And average value per customer is $360. So if I spend $20 on each customer and I get $360 all-time lifetime value, I'm extremely happy. Last 30 days, it's a bit low because it's last 30 days. When it becomes all-time, the lifetime value is higher. People buy later. Okay, Now, even if it is $62, can you imagine? Even if it is $62, I'm still on profit per customer. Per customer, I'm spending $20. So I'm making $42 profit once I get every customer. So you understand that there is a science behind this whole thing, whole book thing, this $5 book. How did we make this money machine that's literally printing money for us? I'll show you in a moment. Before that, I'm going to show you something interesting. I'll show you use of AI that we use every day, and you will learn to use from this video. Okay, so I asked ChatGPT, give me a complete list of successful people who wrote books and used their books to sell more of their products, offers, courses, coaching, consultation. And let's see what ChatGPT gives us, all right? We should get a list of people. Look at this. The first one, Russell Brunson, all right? He wrote .com Secrets, Expert Secrets, Traffic Secrets. These books are awesome. He put so much value in it, people became fans. And then he drive traffic to ClickFunnels. His software company sells courses, coachings, and high-ticket masterminds. Dean Graziosi, Tony Robbins. Really? Okay. Brandon Burchard. I don't know if you know about him or not, but he is a monster. I mean, a monster successful entrepreneur. Alex Hormozi, who doesn't know him? Grant Cardone, 10X Formula. Dan Henry, my favorite. Ryan Dice, old school. Maybe you don't know him, but he is a boss of all these people. Mike Dillard, same. Jeff Walker, the product launch formula, PLF. Now, this coaches and consultants, okay, Mary Forleo, Mel Robbins, Jay Abraham. Look at this. We have a list of total 25 people. Now, this is going to be a training video, okay? So keep watching. You will learn everything about how we use. Show me in a table so we can clearly compare. Why books sells more. Benefits of publishing books. Oh, by the way, ChatGPT even provided a framework for the book funnel. Look at this. The book should be free. You just charge shipping cost from the customer, then you email follow-up, then you sell course, coaching, software, consulting. Simple formula. Now I asked ChatGPT, show me in a table and add columns for why book sells more and make more money. Benefits of publishing books. Put rating out of 5 for effectiveness of all the points and reason for rating. Now see what ChatGPT tells us. Oh, we are getting 2 responses. We chose one of the tables. Now you can see all these reasons why books sell more, because it's easy to trust a book, feels real and valuable. The benefits of publishing is it builds authority, gets email leads, gets followers, leads to coaching, used in webinars, and effectiveness rating, you can see all 5 to 4 out of 5. And these are the reasons for this rating. So basically, simply put, books make you more money. But the problem is you don't have time, you don't have the expertise to write a book. You don't have a program like us where students are getting results from the course of the program that you can turn it into a book and make money like this. So I thought, why not I make a course, which is basically this course, 15K from a book. We made this course when we were at $15,000 revenue from the book. And this is how the course looks like. It gives you literally everything. It has total 14 lessons. The first and foremost, it gives you how we guarantee results for ourselves and for our students. How we build our funnel. Not only the book, but also associated funnel will make you money. If you don't know about funnel, just know that it is an ecosystem of multiple products stitched together, and they're so valuable. Put it in a way that people love to buy, and when they buy, they get benefit out of it. Now, here is something interesting. We did everything using AI. For example, the book writing. Once you have the idea, you can put it in AI, use our book writer AI agent, or just our prompts, and turn your idea into a book, a self-selling, money-making book in no time. After that, you need to build an automated funnel. Basically an automated money machine that will churn out money for you every time a customer goes into the funnel. Email follow-up sequence. Money is in the email whether you like it or not. But in case you have never built an email list or you have never written a promotional email, don't worry, this will cover everything. Now comes automated sales. Sales should not be a hard or manual process. Sales should be an automated process, and you should get sales and earn revenue even while you're at sleep. Now, in every step of the way, you need copywriting. But my friend, if you are at a 9 to 5 day job, if you have never written a copy before, then you don't know what is copywriting, and that's not a problem because you can just use our system and write your high converting copy in no time. How to get free traffic, just like we get, our students get, and our T's framework to get buyer traffic for free from social media. It's a complete course to get your book written from scratch, even if you don't have any expertise. That sounds weird? Yeah, you must be saying, Mosh, I'm not Russell Brunson, I'm not Alex Hormozy, I'm not Tony Robbins. Heck, I'm not even you. I don't have anything, any knowledge, any experience to write a book. Don't worry. There are so many ways you can use or leverage other people's content and write an amazing self-selling book. This video is already too long, my friend. I don't want to go deep into how you can leverage other people's content and turn it into your book. Everything is already in the course. So what I want from you is to understand the value of this course. This is a real deal. We have got results first, and then we made this course from our experience. And you are literally getting all our blueprints, our systems, our processes that you can use together with AI like ChatGPT, like Grok, like Claude, or any other AI platform. Write your book, build your funnel, set up your automation, make money while you sleep in just one weekend. This course is not available outside. We don't sell it anywhere else. We built it only for our students. But I thought, hey, if you get the book, then you are already our student. You already know all the information. We should give you more. And here we are. Click the link below this video, make that tiny investment and get this course right now. Whatever the price you see is the lowest price right now. And the reason for this lowest price is that we want your feedback to turn it into the best of the best book business course ever. And the second reason of lower price is that we want you to get results. We want as many people to be able to afford this course, take action, and launch their book offer, make money as fast as possible, and give us testimonials. With your testimonials, with your feedback, we will raise the price based on your feedback and your testimonials. But you, my friend, are going to get the lowest possible price. But once you go through this course, you will understand that you can earn your money back just by implementing for half a day to maximum one full day in a weekend, and the course will pay for itself. Go ahead, get the best deal right now. The price will be rising. We might raise the price after a couple of days, or we may just turn it into another high ticket program. If you don't grab it today, leave it for later, and you come back later only to see the price is much higher and it's not affordable, I won't be able to do anything about that. So my highest recommendation is get this course right now, right here. Your investment is 100% safe with our money back guarantee. Take the step and start right now, and we will see you inside.